Double-click on Installation file. Click Next and click Install. Click Finish. Before open this program, to make sure that you plug USB drive into USB port. Click Browser to open window file that you want to make boot drive. Select File Location. Click Open. Click Next. Click USB device. Click Begin copying. Click Erase USB device and click Yes. The program will start to erase file in your USB drive and creating bootable drive with window file. Click Start Over and close it. Thank you for watching. If you don't mind, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell to get notification when I post a new video.